Buganda Land Board, BLB, is a professional body that was set up by His Majesty the Kabaka of Buganda Kingdom to manage land and properties returned under the Restitution of Assets and Properties Act of 1993 in Uganda. In Uganda, studies have shown that there are so many forgeries and misrepresentations in land matters, all coming out of a poor identification system at our land registry. Between a period of 5 and 10 years ago, even the Ministry of Lands Registry would not require you to have a passport photograph for your land documentation. All you had to take in was your name and signature. Many people lost property just because other people could come with similar names and forged signatures. The ministry later added a photograph, but we all know the photograph has never been that safe. This somehow rendered the whole process vulnerable to fraudsters. Buganda Land Board has therefore pioneered with modern biometrics technology, where they will issue a land electronic card that uses the palm vein pattern authentication process.
Currently, the Ministry of Lands is using the system of identity cards or photographing, and that has been subject to abuse. And because the people have got related names, who can also just get an identity card to those names. Some parents name their children according to their names as well. So if a son has got the same names as the father and is able to get a chance of getting an ID, is able to transfer that land. And for us, we believe security of tenure and safety and security of people's land is quite critical. So that's why we come out with such a card like this, and people will be able to know that once their systems are scanned, their land is safe.
And we've settled for the various hindrances or the various bottlenecks that exist in the land management sector. We know for a fact that so many people have problems with keeping documents over ownership of land. And also we know for a fact that there is a big problem, especially over registered land, the problem of multiple identities of ownership. So you have just one unique identifier, somebody's name, to spell and specify the ownership of that land. So coming from that school of thought, Buganda Land Board ventured into trying to find solutions, offer solutions to our people. How best can they keep their land safe and using modern technologies?
ViVA International, through its technological partner World Compliance Technologies WCT, offered to introduce palm vein biometric technology as a solution. ViVA International offices are based in the United States and World Compliance Technologies WCT are based in Dubai, UAE. WCT, through its parent company OCR, has provided this technology to the US Departments of Defense, Agriculture and Security. The same company is also applying the same technology in India. Where has this technology worked before? It has worked over providing access to very sensitive areas such as maximum security prisons, banks in Japan, and at the cells of the International Criminal Court in The Hague, attendance at the ICC, banks, ATMs, libraries, name it. Does Buganda Land Board have the required capacity? Since our inception of the system in July 2016, we have so far been averaging 50 clients per month with the minimum sensitization carried out, and clients have been accessing on designated center, BLB headquarters Masengere, Mengo.
Ensonga eyo nkulu nnyo era ejja kwongera okuyamba okunyweza ebibanja byaffe, kubanga tewali ayinza kitunda nga tebamaze kulaba kinkumu kya muntu. N'olwekyo omuntu agula ekibanja nga kituufu ng'aba ayise mu Buganda Land Board. Idea eyo kubira abatuuze bonna omulanga.
Kakadi ako katuyambyeko ku nsonga nnyingi nnyo, nti abantu badde batambula n'empapula nnyingi nnyo ng'olumu zibula, ng'olumu zibagwako, naye kadi eyo bw'oba ogirina.
Our centers are beefed up with state-of-the-art technology machines and highly trained staff to manage the daily workload. The staff are trained by a team of international trainers and local trainers in various fields of customer care, teamwork, etc., and also hands-on practical training on operating the machines at the center. By February 2017, we shall have opened up another designated center at Muganzi Rwaza in Katwe at our Chibuga branch office. This center has been designed in a way that will accommodate the massive number of clients we expect as soon as sensitization programs and continuous adverts about the program are rolled out. We anticipate to register a minimum of 8,000 clients at both centers every month as our major target, and we believe with the trained team, sensitization and unique technology offered to prevent fraud on land, clients will embrace the BLB LE card.
So what is going to happen before you get a file or before we authenticate that you're the rightful owner of a piece of land? For example, this file belongs to Francis. We need Francis to come and authenticate with a palm vein device to authenticate that this is the rightful owner that is going to transact on this piece of land. So we won't have two doubles on a single file like it's normal, like it is on with this current system.
How much is this card? The BLB LE card shall cost 100,000 shillings for individual BLB landowners and 200,000 Uganda shillings for BLB corporate organization landowners. Payment shall be by either mobile money or banking. The mobile money companies so far we have registered with to collect our dues are MTN and Airtel Money. For more information, contact Buganda Land Board, www.bugandalandboard.or.ug, or visit our offices on 1st floor Masengere Building, Mengo,